Overall, COVID-19 cases are trending down as more people become vaccinated, but it doesn't mean that the pandemic is over. A new study shows more children are contracting the virus. Our Brady Hablive joins us live with what parents need to know about the spread amid Pfizer's request to vaccinate kids 12 and up. Brady.
Well, children are making up a growing number of new COVID-19 cases across the country. That's according to the American Academy of Pediatrics. Kids accounted for nearly 21% of all new cases towards the end of April. This comes as the Federal Vaccine Advisory Committee is meeting on Wednesday to discuss whether to open up Pfizer's vaccine to 12 to 15-year-olds. Pfizer's early studies show the vaccine is 100% effective within that age group. Children rarely get severe complications to COVID-19, but they can still transmit the virus, allowing it more chances to mutate. OU Chief Medical Officer Dr. Dale Bratzer says we won't reach full herd immunity until we vaccinate more young people.
They are the biggest risk group in terms of number of new infections in Oklahoma. So if we want to get to herd immunity, to where we really see this virus and the infection go away, we need to get as many kids as possible vaccinated too.
Vaccine hesitancy is still an issue among adults, and that's why Pfizer is submitting an application to the FDA for full approval of their vaccine. Now, if that does get approved, it will be the first of the vaccines to be past that emergency use authorization, and hopefully they're hoping that will encourage more people to get the vaccine. Corey?
You know, Brady, parents do have a lot of questions. These are their babies, so they're wondering what they can expect when they do vaccinate their children.
Well, from an early study from more than 1,500 kids, they found that the side effects were nearly identical to the age group of 16 to 24. That included a mild headache, a low-grade fever, and even some pain at the injection site, but that's very common, it's very normal, and even, in fact, it's a good thing to get somewhat of a reaction to the vaccine. It means that your body is building up an immune response to protect you against COVID-19. Corey?
All right, so very similar to what adults are experiencing.